How to create Google Forms survey questionnaire. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Creates a Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. So in order to create a Google Form survey questionnaire, first launch a web browser, navigate to search bar and type in Google Form and click on enter. Then from this list, you can easily go to Google Form and then sign in to Google Form. After that, you can create a blank form or you can easily choose the templates from here. So let's choose blank form. Now you simply need to give the title for your questions. Suppose questionnaire. Now you can easily click on form description and describe your questionnaire. Then here you can easily click on the question section and enter the questions. Here you can click on multiple choice and choose whether it's multiple choice, tick boxes or drop down or simply short answer or paragraph. You can easily choose the options according to your desire and the type of questionnaires you are creating. So let me choose multiple choice. After that you can enter the options. Suppose female. You can add another one clicking on add options and male. Once you are done with that, you can easily press enter on your keyboard. And then if you want to add more questions, click on the plus button at top right in order to add questions. Here you can easily choose the age and add different options. So let us choose multiple choice and set options like 10 to 20 and add more options like 20 to 30. Similarly, you can create many questions and set options accordingly. And once you're done with that, you can easily customize using this all the title and descriptions, icon, add images, icon, videos, icon, and sections. Also, you can go to setting at top right and adjust the settings for this particular questionnaire. Suppose you can go to form default and if you wish to collect email address by default, you can click on this drop down menu box and then click on responder input, or you can select verified. Or if you do not want to collect, select do not collect and adjust other setting as well. So afterwards, you can easily click on publish button at top right once you are done. And now you can easily manage the responders. So click on manage button and here you can easily share your form with any people group or calendar events. If you don't want, leave as it is and select on. Now click on publish. Once it has been public, you can easily share the link by copying the responder link and you can sort in the URL as well and click on copy. Now you can easily share this copy link to anyone using different social media platform and anyone has the link can easily respond to your questionnaire. So the responses will come to this responses section. You can view it on the responses sections. Also you can link to the site and view it on the site. So in this way, you can easily create Google Form survey questionnaire. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.